Yo, what's good? Monday it is. The first trading day of the week. Monday. We'll see what's gonna happen because I'm out here once again walking my dog because this is fucking nice. It's a good weather. However, I think I overdressed. I got this big ass hoodie on because literally today at midnight, I woke up to massive rain. Literally, I woke up to that shit. Man, what the? As you can see, there's still water here because it was raining. Okay, rocket. Because it was raining hard as fuck. So that's why I put this on. But I realized it's kind of hot. It's summer. But anyways. But yeah, man, this is the first trading day of the week. Last week was really good. We didn't actually trade that much. We took like 3 trades. Super good week. A lot of bread was made. And we've been killing it for the past month. Literally, I don't even remember when did we have a losing week. But anyways, that's not to flex. That's common sense. When you have been in these markets, it's that you have to have a good restart ratio, a good win rate, obviously, and you have to use logic, not your emotions. You know what I mean? But guys, we'll have to see what this week brings us. But shit, anything can happen in these fucking markets. So we'll have to see today. Are we gonna take a trade? Yesterday we did the weekly buys. Today is no news at all. So we can trade today. I'll start the live trading call at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. But yeah, obviously that's different. That's the New York time. But in my country, it's different. You know what I mean. Anyways, guys, let me know. I know I've said this literally in every video, but let me know what y'all think about these kind of videos because these are fucking chill, and you see the reality. No fucking unnecessary bullshit. I'm just being myself, talking to you behind the screen, and the mission of this is just to show you the reality of a young trader who started early, who now can make money in these markets. That's just the reality. And no, I don't have to fake anything. I don't have to. If there's losses, I'll show them. If there's win, I show them. I don't give a fuck. This is me being real to you. Okay, I think this is like my 6th video so far of these kind of videos. I thought literally I was like, maybe I create like a mini series because it's summer, it's good, it's a good weather. I don't have to put my fucking jacket on. I could just walk here and yap to you guys. Not yap, I'm talking some real knowledge about these markets. Not only markets, about good stuff that you guys can take note on, and let me know what y'all think. Yo, one thing that I get asked a lot, like from people in my Discord, they send me DMs, and also people in Instagram, they also ask me like, how do you deal with your friends and your family? Like, you tell them you're a trader, like how do you deal with them? Because obviously most of the people, Rocky. Man, what is he doing, bro? Most of the people are not gonna understand like trading. Obviously, if I wouldn't be trading and somebody told me that they do trading, the first thing that comes in mind is gambling, obviously. But this is your thing, right? This is your thing. So keep going, bro. Because obviously the friends wasn't an issue for me, nor the family. Like, it wasn't an issue. It wasn't an issue for me. Okay. Because some people know that I actually got introduced to trading by my friends, so it doesn't matter. But obviously nowadays, if somebody asks me like what you do, what are you doing, like what's your thing, do you make money, I literally never tell them that I do trading unless they find my fucking YouTube or Instagram. Then I'm like, yeah, that's what I do. But it's nothing, like, it's, you know, because, like, what's the point? There's, like, most of the people are gonna think that you're a fucking gambler, but yeah. But if your family is telling you something like, don't do it, it's gambling, you gotta understand, bro, your family, they want the best for you. And that's what they know. They think that trading is gambling, because obviously it is gambling. It is kind of gambling because most people are losing. But if you're in these markets for years, like I've been trading for over 3 years, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Like, it's not gonna be gambling. But for most of the people, it is gambling because they don't get the point. They don't get how it's actually done, how it's supposed to be done. But you know what I mean, bro. You know what I mean. Like, this is my advice. Do not tell. You can tell your close friends, like, yeah, I trade, like, what's up. But you don't have to. You don't have to tell it. Like, you can show the results later. You know, you can show the results, and that's gonna speak for itself. Like, the results. Look, man, I'm just gonna tell you like this. Nothing in this life matters except results. That's how it goes, especially if you're a man. Nobody gives a fuck how hard are you trying. Nobody gives a fuck what are you doing. Nobody gives a fuck how, like, what have you been through, unless you have something to show for it. Because I know that may sound harsh, but that's what I learned about trading. That's what I learned about literally my 17 years of life. Nobody gives a fuck unless you're like a baby who makes excuses. Then maybe someone, here's a candy. But guys, you know what I mean. Like, nobody gives a fuck, nothing except for results. Like, if you're a man, if you're a man, bro, they don't care. The results are the only thing that matters in this life, in this planet of Earth. And that's just me being real. And you gotta realize that as soon as possible, bro. Then you can get way ahead of people, okay? So they take that advice from me, who is a 17 years old. Yes, sir. And I know this may sound kind of crazy what I'm about to tell you, but trading is not for everybody. It is for the people. It is actually for the people who can handle a lot of stress, who can actually stay in the markets long enough to actually see profitability. And for some, like, look, some people, it is meant to be like, you come into trading, you realize it's not for you, you move on to another thing. But obviously, in 1 year, you cannot tell you, are you gonna make it or not in trading? Because I've been here for 3 years, and I've thought about quitting many times, many times. Had a lot of doubt. I literally, at some point, I was like super, you know, like, was it all luck? Was I just lucky? But that I kept going, and I've been profitable for 1 year. And I believe you cannot make it unless you go through a lot of trial and error. Only after that you can fucking make it, because pain is gain, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's get it. You see a lot of these gurus online who just tell you that, yeah, trading is for everybody. But it's not, bro, it's not. That's why I'm on a mission. I'm literally on a mission on this social media to turn as many people profitable as humanly possible. That's literally a social media thing. Because I already make money in these markets. Now it's my job to fucking make you profitable behind the screen. So let's get it. Yo, what up? I made it home. It's almost, in 20 minutes, it's about to be 3 p.m. I know it's kind of late. I skipped a little bit. And I actually watched some YouTube educational content, not trading related, but, you know, it's nice stuff. And guys, now I'm gonna finish the editing of that one video that I made a couple days ago, like 2 days ago. It's about this one thing, man. You gotta stay tuned, man, because it's a really educational banger about to be released. Not really soon, but super soon. I promise. Not really soon, but super soon. What? Not really. Okay, forget it. But you get it, guys. You get it. Anyways, guys, now I'm gonna continue editing the video a little bit. And look at this shit. Look at this guy. How come every time you trade it's a W? Bro is allergic to taking losses. Wow, bro. I mean, shit, it wasn't always like this. I mean, yes, I want to be as real as possible to you guys. I do take, last week we took one loss. However, all the other trades were winners with a good result ratio, but still, I do take some kind of losses. I'm a fucking human being, just like you. We are not machines. We just adapt and become better inside the markets, and that's what I'm trying to teach to you guys. And literally, I'm already seeing lots of progress because a lot of people are sending me that I actually have helped them, whether it's mentally, in trading wise, their win rate has grown, their understanding in the market has grown. Like I told you, this is my mission. This is my fucking mission. Let's get it. All right, guys, I just finished up editing right there, but literally it was just a couple of things that I need to fix. But yeah, guys, one thing. Some people may think like, why? Like, I'm 17. Why am I not just saying fuck it and just going out there and just out there? I mean, shit, I used to do that way more. But the thing here is, time moves fast, bro. Time moves fucking fast. You know that. And like, in my opinion, the earlier you start, the better. Because it doesn't matter, like, obviously you can start day trading whenever you want. But think, bro, if you're like 17, 16, you do realize that in a couple of years, most of your friends, everyone starts to go in different directions, right? You do know that. Like there's like a 99% of chance that will happen because everyone responsibilities will come, okay? Having fun is not wasting time, not at all. But you gotta do the work and then you can have fun. That's what I do. That's how I feel comfortable, to do that shit. But at some point people, they'll start to ask like, what do you want to do? What job do you want to get? What university are you gonna go to? What college? What that? Then you're like, holy shit, there's not much time. And literally, at some point, you will have so many more responsibilities to do, which will cause everything to be much harder and you will have way more stress. So that's why I'm working hard now, right now, bro. And the thing is, I actually I love to do this shit. I love to record these videos. I love to trade. I love to do this. I mean, yes, sometimes trading is hard, but it's the thing that pays. So my suggestion to you guys is start as early as possible. Even if you're like 30 years old, it doesn't fucking matter, bro. Start today, not tomorrow. Start today. All right? And just believe me with this one, okay? Because I actually haven't talked about this one thing. One time I was working in a nursing home, whatever it is, like a summer job, way back. And you literally see those old people. You see the regret in their eyes. I don't know how to explain that shit, but that shit healed. I was like, what the fuck? Okay, not everyone had those. But bro, do you really want to regret things? Like, you can have fun whenever you want. Like, sure, this is literally the method. You do the work and then you can do whatever you want with the day. You wake up early, you do the main task, and then go enjoy. Because you're in control. You're like, what the fuck you're gonna do. All right, you feel me? That's just I just dropped some game for you. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I do know that we all have one life, right? And I want to maximize it by any means, okay? By all means. I will maximize it. And obviously that's like, some people may think it different. Some people think that maximizing means like you will have most fun you can possibly have. But it depends, bro. If you're on a mission, that's also like, that's good. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, now I finished up the editing. I'm probably gonna write some scripts for a video and get some inspiration, and let's see what's gonna happen, okay? But anyways, about in 1 hour, I will live trade. So see you there, okay? Guys, guess what? No trades taken today. I mean, pretty much same as last Monday. The price movement was there was pretty good volume, I gotta lie. pretty good volume for Monday, no news. But because the movement was pretty good, the price didn't get to those areas where we can retrace, you know. I was about to enter from here below this OB, but the risk reward ratio would have been pretty bad, right? As you can see. So, you know, we are not emotional traders. We're not emotional traders. No trades taken today, but I made sure that everybody learned though. Okay, that's good. Okay, but literally, this is one example. I want to show you guys the reality of trading. No BS. Sometimes there's no trades taken. Okay, sometimes there will be no trades taken whatsoever. And that's like most of the people who are patient in these markets make the most money, right? That's what I've learned during these 3 years of my trading. And most of the people know that they have to be patient, but most of the people cannot be patient in these markets. That's why they fucking lose. We follow our trading plan, okay? By the way, guys, no trades today. We'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Tomorrow at the exact same time. But yeah, peace out.